Hey everybody, it's the Honey Badger, and we are doing a bit more work on the GX today. Specifically, we're going to do the replacement of the stock horns with these hella Sharptone horns. Should be a very simple job. This usually is not very difficult. We'll just splice into the existing loom, essentially, and get these wired in. And that's going to be about it. We'll get them mounted. They're going to obviously sound different. Usually they are also a bit louder. We will do a before and after in just a second of what the horn sounds like now versus what the hellas sound like when they are installed. Let's just get started. If you make sure you guys are subscribed, and if this video does end up helping you, leave a like on it. But let's go ahead and jump in and get these put in the vehicle.
With the horns removed, we created a small harness so we could have a simple ground, and we'll reuse the power from the actual connectors we removed off of the old horns. These are two snap-on terminals that we'll use that then go to a single ring terminal that will help us ground to the vehicle.
And there we go, we're all finished up. There they are. They look nice, obviously a lot brighter if you don't want that look. They're not super visible behind the grill. We'll close it in just a second so you can see what that looks like, but pretty simple overall. Very simple harness that we created, really just the ground because of the split that the horns have compared to the stock ones. And that's about it, super simple. Nothing overly complicated. I'm sure someone who's better at wiring cringes at this a little bit. All the items that you'd need for this are down below in the description, so make sure you check out those links. Make sure you leave a like on this video too. That would greatly help me get anybody else looking for this, they get to see it a little bit easier with more likes. There is what it looks like, just kind of hiding behind the grill. Obviously, if you have a different grill, it might show slightly different. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed as well, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one.